We have a population here that has a mean of 35 and a standard deviation of 8. We're rounding answers to 2 decimal places. First, want to find the z-score for a population value of 25. That is saying that x is equal to 25. So our z-score formula is here, x minus mu over sigma, so value minus mean over standard deviation. So we're going to take that 25, and we are going to subtract off the mean, which is the 35. And then we will divide by our standard deviation, which is 8. So let's go ahead and compute this on the calculator. So I'm going to do a horizontal fraction, alpha y equal enter. So 25 minus 35 down to the bottom, divide by 8, negative 5/4. That's 1.25. So if you did negative 5 divided by 4, negative 1.25. And then find the z-score for a population value of 40. That's saying x equals 40. So I did that same plug-in, 40 for x, 35 for mean, 8 for standard deviation. I got 0.625. So to 2 decimal places would be 0.63. And then what number, that's an x value, has a z-score of 1.8? So z is equal to 1.8. We want to find x. So here's our z-score formula. Z, right here, 1.8. X, we don't know, so we leave it. Our mean, 35. And then our standard deviation, 8. So we want to solve this equation for x. So let's first multiply both sides by 8. So I'm going to multiply by 8 on the left and multiply by 8 on the right. On the right, the 8's cancel out. So I get 8 times 1.8 is equal to x minus 35. And now add 35 on both sides to undo that subtraction. So these guys cancel. Negative 35 and 35 is 0. So our x is equal to 35 plus 8 times 1.8. Let's go ahead and compute that. So 35 plus 8 times 1.8, 49.4. So the data value that has a z-score of 1.8 is 49.4.